Hi everyone, my name is Remy Richardson and I am the Board Development Chair for the BC RCD. This month we will be conducting our first ever fundraising campaign for Giving Tuesday. And the theme of our campaign is From the Ground Up. With your support and your donations, we will be able to update equipment for farmers in our county, restore and plant new native plants, hold more educational workshops for our community's youth, expand our watershed collaboration, and conduct more pile burns while educating the public about fire ecology.
My name is Sean Anderson. I am a board member, what we call a director of the Ventura County Resource Conservation District. Some resource conservation districts in California do ag, some do conservation. We do both, and we do both very well.
Hi, my name is Jaya Weeby. I'm the conservation ecologist here at VCRCD, and I'm part of our amazing restoration crew. 3 words that describe our job is dedication, fulfillment, and teamwork.
Okay, hi everybody, my name is Vic. I've been working for RCD for the last 18 years or so. For me, you show up maybe at the grower who just got into this business, who's has financial issues, and you provide them all the knowledge you learned, you're going to pass on to the new grower. You were there in just a way to thank you that, your job meant something. You did some good. It was always a reason for me to just hang around. I love what I do, with a patting on the back once in a while.
Hi, my name is Kevin Mason, and I'm the Fire Preparedness Coordinator at Ventura County RCD.
And I'm Lauren Zaragoza, and I'm your Resource Conservation Specialist working in watershed and fire ecology related programs. If we had to describe our job in 3 words, we would say
Land stewardship.
Community.
Revitalizing.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily Nye. I work at the Ventura County Resource Conservation District. I'm on the ag team. Yeah, I would say our work is restorative. In our work, we build a lot of trust. There are so many words that describe our work, so it's a bit challenging to narrow it down.
Hi, my name is Jamie Whiteford. I'm the Executive Director of the Ventura County Resource Conservation District. The district's mission is to conserve and protect natural resources for current and future generations. If you'd like to learn more about us, please visit our website. If you like what you see, I encourage you to make a donation to us during our Giving Tuesday campaign. However you choose to support us, please know that your support will be used to empower local communities from the ground up.